Concrete is a fascinating building material, adored by architects and respected by engineers. We are here to tell you why that is and to show you the glamorous side of concrete.
Using concrete is still, I think, one of the highest challenges to an architect.
The range of possibilities how to use concrete is immense.
It's the only material that speaks any language.
With concrete you can make every shape.
It has often a very subtle color.
Concrete is changing every second of the day. So when it's rainy or sunshine, it's a lively material.
Concrete is completely dependent on the human mind. It has a form only if the mind gives it a form. And if the human mind is sophisticated, the concrete becomes beautiful. Concrete is made from components which, when mixed together, make a completely new structure. Those components are cement, aggregates, usually gravel or crushed stone, and sand. Simply by changing the proportion between water and the other ingredients, the basic characteristics of concrete can be changed. Certain combinations of components will make it stronger, another will give it lightness. By changing the aggregates in the mixture, we can create a concrete that is so light it can float on water. It is fascinating how many different variations can be achieved from the same material. The Dome of Pantheon, built in ancient Rome, is testament to the durability of concrete. For many centuries, the material was nearly forgotten. But when it was revealed again, people started to create sculpture forms on a scale that was previously unimaginable. But only the invention of reinforced concrete made it an extraordinary material for building. Its combination with steel gives it characteristics that no other existing material has. It has become the basic construction material, and most tall buildings have an inner structure composed of concrete, no matter what the facade is made from. Concrete's plastic possibilities are limitless. Whatever the human mind imagines can be made a reality. People usually have no doubts about the technical qualities of concrete and its wide range of practical applications. But the aesthetic potential of concrete is less well known. Many architects are inspired by its specific industrial look and are attracted by its roughness. But concrete can take on all imaginable appearances. It can become silky soft or polished like marble. Of extreme importance to concrete's appearance is the molding or formwork on which it is hardened. The surface of the formwork defines the subsequent surface of the concrete. Traditionally, that formwork was made of wood, and today there are still some architects who use a wooden formwork for aesthetic reasons. And sometimes, they even insist that the construction process be obvious on the surface. But generally, Nowadays, formworks are made out of modern materials: plastic, steel, fiber, or rubber. From ornamented formwork, we can get an ornamented surface. It can be rinsed with water so that the stones stand out. Concrete needn't necessarily look gray anymore. By adding colored pigment, it can take on any color we can imagine, even rich colors. It can also be perfectly white. And it reacts to the colors that surround it. Although it is capable of so many different variations, many designers still see the beauty of concrete in its simplicity, which greatly suits the current minimalism in architecture. Concrete buildings needn't necessarily have a so-called bunker look. They can also be light and spacious. Concrete is an emotional and very expressive material, and often reflects the culture where it comes from. Concrete looks great when used in combination with other materials. It goes perfectly with metal, wood, marble, or glass. Concrete is a natural material made through a natural process, so it has the qualities as any other natural material. Today, concrete is very trendy. Many prestigious companies use concrete for their representative working space. It shows that the client who wants it has the courage to deal with it, has sophisticated taste, and can afford it. When it is used as exposed concrete, it is considered to be a luxurious material comparable to granite or marble. And the quality of the concrete that is used today defies the prejudice that it is a cold and inhuman material. Its finish is done in a much more sophisticated way than it was a few decades ago. The concrete of today offers a sensuous and tactile surface. It is pleasant to the touch. Even people who can afford any sort of material for their private homes are starting to ask for houses built from concrete because they realize its huge potential. It is a material that can be both poetic and immensely practical. When you want to build something really impressive, all you need is to free your imagination and to find a reliable partner that can enable you to fulfill your ideas. Heidelberg Cement is here not only to supply you with all types of the best quality concrete, but also to provide you with support and expertise. And as we said at the very beginning, concrete is about people, and people from our company are on your side for better building.